What's good, family? You already know we're back again for another video. So today I decided to do a little unboxing. I'm gonna unbox probably like 5 or 6 things for you guys. If you guys end up enjoying, go ahead and click that subscription button down below for more content like this, the post notification bell, and the like button as well. Also, the NBA giveaway is gonna be done in like 2 to 3 days, so make sure you click that down below ASAP. So like I said before, I got like 5 or 6 packages I want to cover real quick, so I'm gonna do that, and then you already know we get straight out of here. So this first item I'm gonna cover real quick because I went through an Instagram giveaway and it was this Public Enemy poster. I just answered and a couple days later they said that I won, so bang, we got a Public Enemy poster right here. So this is my third one. I might be giving one away. I don't know. I might just do that for you guys. So next up, I got a package from a company that contacted me. It's really crazy that they hit me up to work with them, and I'm honestly honored to do that. So as you can see on the front, it says Jord. This is a Jord watch that I was sent. Oh, this is insane. Look at the packaging on this, bro. The packaging on this is crazy. It's like a wooden box. We got a little towel in there. We got something to clean it. And then obviously we got the tracking slip. We're also going to be doing a giveaway for you guys that I'll cover shortly, so stay tuned for that. So like I said before, here we got the little towel. We got the Jord Preserve, which is basically to maintain the wood, I'm assuming. Here we got the box. So the box itself is just crazy. Like, look, it has this little compartment at the bottom for you to store things. You could probably put jewelry in here. You could put the little towel with the cleanser in there. And then right here, we got the, oh my God, this is so dope. This watch is insane. Like, the quality on this is A1. As you can see, it's obviously made out of wood. It's not like that metal material, so it's way smoother. I believe that this is all organic, so it's actual wood, and the darker colorways look best to me because you wouldn't even be able to tell that it's wood. So this is pretty dope. I honestly really enjoyed this watch. I would definitely recommend you guys to go check them out down below. If you guys would like to buy one, there's going to be a $25 off code. There's also going to be a $130 giveaway that you guys can enter down in the description, which is crazy. One of you guys are going to have a shot to win one of these watches, and in my opinion, this watch is crazy. Like, I'm gonna definitely be wearing this, and I'm not just saying this because they contacted me. Like, this is actually a really dope watch, and I've seen it around for a really long time, honestly. Here we got their business card, and on the back we got their social medias. If you got a fat wrist, you could put more links on it. Like, they really take care of you at this brand. I'm gonna keep this on for the rest of the video. So the first thing we got was that Public Enemy poster, which I got from the giveaway. The second piece was this Jord watch that I had the honor to display for you guys. Next up, I got a pair of slides that are crazy. Like, these are like an alternative to the Sweet Coke slides that have been really popular lately. These are crazy, bro. Like, straight up heat. Look at these shits, bro. I think I'm gonna make a whole video on where to get these, what slides these resemble, because these are really popular in the game lately because of the fact that they have this on the inside, which is basically like the top of a sneaker. If you think about it, you could throw on some black slides with this shit and pull it off with a really cool outfit. These shits are fire, bro. It's crazy to the point that I think I might pick up another pair of slides. Like, I don't know why, but these shits are just calling my name. I need another pair. I might go ahead and cop the black with the red plaid on it just so I can have both of them, but these shits are fire. I would definitely recommend you guys to check these out. I'm gonna make a video on them, but... So the third pickup was these slides right here. One of my favorite pickups out of this whole video, besides the watch, honestly. You already know. Next up, we got this Japanese inspired shirt. This shit is crazy as well. Like, it's a simple shirt with like this graphic on the front. From the camera, you guys can't tell, but it's like a heather gray. It's actually a little bit thin, but not too much. And it feels like a vintage shirt. That's what I really like about it. This is fire in my opinion. I got it a little bit oversized, as you can see, because I want this to be like one of them big ass shirts on me. It'll be really dope. So this doesn't even have a brand, honestly. It's just a shirt that I found online. It says sold out. That's actually really dope. Now we're getting down to the juicy stuff. This is the Palace pickup that I picked up from week 1. I feel like this was one of the best pieces that came out, so I had to scoop it up. You already know how we do on the channel. So boom, right here we got the Palace Tri-Ferg. Boom, you already know. And then we got the Sans Ferg right there. I'm gonna open that up for you guys. But first I'm gonna cover the stickers that I got, because I did get the sticker pack as well. So this comes in like a quarter bag. If you know what that is, you know what that is. Here we got the Love Your Planet sticker. This one's really sick. This girl kind of looks like the girl that I just showed you on that other shirt. Is it just me or not? We got the Pronto Palace sticker. We got the regular Tri-Ferg. We got the Sans Ferg, the white one. You You cannot see that shit at all, but it's white and it's a tri-ferg. And last up, we got the Palace CD. This one's really sick as well. It's just a vintage vibe. I honestly really dig it. So these stickers are really dope, but the quality is nowhere near Supreme's. Like the Supreme stickers have some good ass quality. I really like this bag though, I'm not gonna lie. So we also got another tri-ferg that came in the bag. And then we got the Sandsferg in gray. Now what I really like about Palace is that their quality, A1. Palace's quality is A1. Boom, we got the Sandsferg right here. And then we got the bigger version on the back. So this is a big ass tri-ferg. This is honestly my first tri-ferg, so you already know we had to scoop that. We had the scoopity poop, poop the scoop the whoop, poopity scoop, scoop the poop. I had to scoop this shit up. Tri-ferg, gray. I wanted the blue one, but managed to get this one. Can't always get what you want, but anything that I want, I speak into existence. I always win. Remember that quote, people, because that's something really important. If you say that shit and mean it, you're gonna always win. Like, you're playing tricks on the mind, but I'm not even gonna get into that, you know? And last up, we got this palette. Last up, we got this Supreme package. What you guys wanna see, what I wanna see is in this box right now. I honestly need that Supreme knife so I can open shit already, cause... Oh, no. Oh, this shit came gift wrapped. Shit came wrapped the hell up, but it didn't come with bubble wrap, so that's kind of iffy. And boom, we got the Supreme brick. Yo, I'm sick and tired of these red box logos, bruh. Come out with a collaboration that has stickers. Why did the Fox one not have stickers? Not that I bought anything really, but then up in here, we got the thing. Boom, I'm gonna take the big one out. We got the Supreme jar. You can't even see that shit. Honestly, yo, these look way better in pictures. That's just my opinion. These are really fire still, and I feel like if you put something in it, you could tell it's Supreme. But just like this, like standing by itself, it's a regular ass mason jar or jar, whatever, jug. Don't get me wrong, it's a dope little thing to have, but it's not really like that worth it, if I'm being honest. We got the small one. The small one is actually small as I'm not even gonna lie. Look at the difference. You could maybe fit like a quarter in here. You could maybe fit like an O in here. So these are really dope in my opinion. I guess if you put them back here, you won't really tell it's Supreme, but if you put something in it, like I said before, you definitely will. So that pretty much wraps up the video. Let me know what was your favorite pickup that I made. Make sure you click that link at the top of the description. Give Jord watches a look because they looked out for me. And if you support me, go ahead and support them because that was honestly a really great opportunity. And you will also have a chance to win $130 store credit, which could get you one of these watches. Maybe not this exact one, but you could get a different watch that's basically the same thing. And that's honestly amazing in my opinion. So one of you guys is gonna have a chance to win. Make sure you click that old shit. Make sure you go ahead and follow the instructions down below. And that pretty much does it for this video. I'll check you guys on the next one. Peace, stay up, and I'm out. Go ahead and subscribe, you know what I'm saying? Follow that like button, do all that shit you gotta do. Bing, bing. Peace out.